Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this super trendy top that I've seen everywhere on Instagram. For this you will need just a rectangular piece of fabric and you will need your bust measurement. My bust measurement is about 100 centimeters, so I decided to add additional 25 to that, and I cut that part off because I did not need it. And then I will cut in the next slide a piece for the sleeves. The sleeves are going to be again rectangular pieces, but this time I went with, let's say, approximately 60 centimeters in length and about 25 centimeters in width. Here I'm just making sure that the width of the bodice is enough for me for the idea that I had, because I wanted it to be a little bit longer so that it has some frills at the bottom. So these are two pieces that are going to be cut in half, and they are for the sleeves. So as I said, I went about 65, I believe, 55, 60, 65. It depends how puffy you want them to be. I do not want mine to be too puffy though this time. So here you see I already sewed one part of the bodice. It's I'm just hemming it, and here it's all done. So you see that I made like quite a wide hem on both sides. The bottom part has super extra wide hem because I wanted to add that elastics right there, kind of like not really in the middle, but in the bottom third quarter. What did I say? The bottom, like 1/3 of the bodice, and then in that part, the bottom third. So anyways, let's get back to the sleeves. So sleeves have been sewn, and then you will take a piece of elastics, measure it to your arm, and make sure that it's not too tight. You don't want to stop blood flow, and you're just going to put it through these channels here, and your sleeves are done. Going to do it for both sides, of course. And this is me just sewing the elastics by hand, because it's a lot easier than doing it on the machine when the elastic is so small. And once that's done, I'm going to seal that opening by sewing across, and that's about it. After this is done, I decided at one point to just add something to the bottom of the bodice. However, it was not recorded. I added a strip of lace, and it's really easy because this is the trim, so you can get that trim practically in any store that sells fabric, and you just attach it. I just sewed it in, nothing special. And here it is. You see I added that trim, that lace trim at the bottom. This is like the cotton lace trim, but you can use any that you have or that you desire. And now the only thing that's left is to attach the sleeves on both sides. And this is the finished product. It is very nice and comfy, and I love the way it looks. It's very good for the summer. So because I liked that first bodice that I made the second one, and this one is white with embroidered fabric. And because I did not really record this video properly, I will just guide you through. This one is a little bit shorter. It is wider, however. I think I put like additional 30 centimeters on this one in my bust circumference because I wanted it to be a little bit more puffy. Eventually, it did not really look that puffy. This one had like a little nice trim at the bottom, and this is the final look. And I really love this one. This one is my favorite by far. I hope you liked it. If so, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.